Okay, boys and girls, today we're going to be installing a zip line. This one we got off Amazon. It is a CTSC zip lines. I think the company name that sold it was like zipline.com. This is the 75-foot kit. It comes with the turnbuckle. It comes with the clamps to clamp the wire. It comes with 75 feet of stainless steel cable. And it also comes with the other end tree saver. It also comes with the trolley, which is steel. Some of them are plastic. It comes with the seat, and it comes with a spring brake. The 75-foot kit should be plenty, because from this tree here to that tree there is 50 feet. So it should be more than enough cable for our application here. Also, when you do this, I guess each one of them have a different recommendation, but this one recommends you starting height of rider height plus 2 feet, plus the drop, and then your ending height is the rider height plus 2 feet. So for our children, that would be about 7 feet, 5 foot tall with 2 foot variance, which will place right about where this tree splits. So 50 feet at an 8% drop is what they recommend. We'll add another 4 feet, so this side will be 11 to 12 feet tall. So we're going to be a little farther up in the tree up there. So anyways, we'll get climbing up there and we'll do this. Alright, welcome to my tree. So we slung it around the tree up here. This is about 12 feet tall. And we have the eyelets going through the turnbuckle. Don't tighten this crazy down because you'll end up bending your turnbuckle. It is lock nuts anyways. And you put the other end of the cable, which is running down to the ground, up here. This is the starting side with the turnbuckle. So now we'll go pull it around the other tree that will be our ending side. Alright, so cable is in the tree, ran across the yard. Make sure you unwind the cable, because if you just start pulling on the cable and it has a twist to it, it can undo the turnbuckle. So anyways, all the way over to here. And now we're at the end of the cable. We need to install our trolley. So we're going to slide this on in between there and here. Let's see.
Can I do this part? Just
like that. You want to pull the cable out, Benjamin? Pull some more cable? Just like that. And then we're going to install our seat next, just to get that out of the way. And then we can do the spring brake. So this big long slinky thing is the spring brake. This is going to go on since we got our cable running to that tree. Sorry for the angle here. All the way down. Before we wrap it around the other tree, we have to put the spring brake on. So go ahead and feed it through there, son.
Put it in there?
Put it in there. Yep. Puppies, come on. You can do it. Don't worry about them. They're just being silly. There you go. Keep feeding it, son. Push it in there. Just like that. Alright. Okay. So now we've fed it through the cable and put it pretty far back, so we know that when we go up the ladder with this, wrap it around the tree and start putting the clamps on, that the spring brake will be on this side of the clamps. So now the fun part, lugging this up into the tree. So I figured I'd show you the little thing I did to get this cable tight. It has a little bit, but we can turn that out of the turnbuckle. So what I did was I came over and I pulled it as tight as I could do and put the first clamp on. Then I put the other clamp on but left it loose, and then I grabbed the cable and pulled the slack out of it. Alright, and then tighten this. Not crazy tight, just snug. Then I came over and put the third clamp on and pulled all the slack I could out of it. Now I'm going to loosen these clamps and pull them tight again and tighten them down, and that way I don't have to use too much of the turnbuckle to pull the slack out. So they say somebody has to test it. I guess that's me, right? So let's go for a ride here. So, I'm 240 pounds on a good day, and it will stop me before I hit the tree. But it does tell me this is where I need to base my platform. I thought it would be over there. I really did. So it's good to know the kids will not hit the tree. But I have to build my platform for them to unload over here instead of over there. So that does a little difference there. Good to know that. But there we go, boys and girls. The zip line is in, and once I build a ladder for the kids and a platform to land on, they're going to have a whole bunch of fun and scare the living daylights out of their mother. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and keep watching for my other stuff here.